If you are constantly uploading shorts and you are getting less than 1000 views, here are some things you can do to fix that. Now, in this video, I will give you 6 reasons why your shorts are missing the YouTube algorithm. So let's get straight into it. I have two short channels that has combined together to give me 30 million short views and 200,000 subscribers. And I have been creating short form content for over 3 years now, and I have come across this problem many times. But guys, I have finally figured out how to actually solve this problem, and this video should help you to solve yours too. The first reason on my list is you are having low view to swipe ratio. Your view to swipe ratio is basically how many people choose to stop and watch your shorts versus how many people choose to swipe away. Personally, my view to swipe ratio is around 70 to 30%. If yours is below 70%, what this means is that people who are supposed to watch your short are actively swiping away. And this is not good for the YouTube algorithm, because YouTube will think that people are not actually watching your short simply because they don't like it. And the best way to fix this is to create a short that is around 20 to 40 seconds in length. The reason why people are actually watching shorts on YouTube is because they don't like long videos, and people attention span are very short. So to make people to want to watch your short, make your short a little shorter. And during the first 1 second of your video, your intro has to be eye-catchy and intriguing. What I mean is your intro has to be captivating and promising based on desire or based on fear. You need to stop people from swiping away from your shot. And to do this, you have to increase your view to swipe ratio to at least of 80 to 70%. This is hard, I have to be honest, but it is proven that any shot that has its view to swipe ratio above 70%, that this shot is always proven to go viral. One of my shots gave me millions of views, and the view to swipe ratio was around 70 to 85%. Proving that whenever your view to swipe ratio is around 70 to 85%, that your shorts will go viral. So to get 1000 views on your shorts, you need to get your view to swipe ratio to around 70%. The next 5 reasons I will share with you will help you to do this. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed before, and click on the like button and say anything in the comment section so that YouTube will put this video for more people to see. If you just start a brand new channel and you just start uploading shorts straight away, there is a possibility that YouTube algorithm will not push out those shorts. This is annoying, I know, because we all want to have thousands of views as soon as possible. But for some reasons, when you are just getting started with a brand new account, YouTube algorithm will think that you are a bot or a robot. So if you are having a brand new account and you just start uploading shorts, YouTube algorithm will not push out those videos. In one of my brand new channel, I started uploading shorts right away, and YouTube algorithm was not pushing out those shorts for people to see. And this was when I found out that YouTube doesn't like pushing out content on a very new account, because they want to know if actually it's a human that is using that account or not. Now, with both of my new channels that I have been using for 3 months right now, and I have been uploading shorts on them, and I have grown so fast because YouTube has already gathered enough information about me and has confirmed that I'm a human. So please, if you want to start uploading shorts or long form videos, do that on YouTube account that you have already set up. Now, what I mean by this is that before you actually start creating shorts or long form videos, you have to use an account that you have been using to watch other people's content, liking their content, engaging in comment, or subscribing to their channels. When doing this, YouTube has already gathered enough information about you and has confirmed that truly this account is not being used by a bot. And if you actually do this, YouTube will start recommending your videos to more people, because they have already gathered enough data about you and they have already identified whom your audience are. So if you are using a brand new account to actually watch me right now, do well to give a like to this video and say anything on the comment section, and even subscribe to this channel so that YouTube will actually know that you are active and that it's not a bot that is using your account. Now, the third reasons may be that your shorts are missing the YouTube algorithm. You know, YouTube algorithm on shorts is not as active or as smart as the Instagram Reels and Facebook reels. The reason is because YouTube is just starting with shorts and usually miss out in finding the right audience that will actually watch your content or shorts. So this is one of the reasons why your newly posted shorts will not have views and it won't be recommended to viewers because YouTube Shorts algorithm is not yet perfect to be smart enough to actually figure out the right audience for your short in a space of 2 to 3 days. It happens to everybody. So when it happens to you, all you need to do is to be consistent posting your short without shifting your niche. Posting on that same specific niche because you have to try to tell the AI, that is the YouTube algorithm, that you are actually creating content on this niche and that you need audience that watch content on this niche. So if you post on different niche, that means the algorithm will be more confused and the YouTube algorithm will not know the right audience to actually recommend your short for. So when this happens, focus on creating your content and be specific on your niche. So if you are using an already established account and you've uploaded your shorts and it has under 1000 views, and all you need to do as a beginner YouTuber is to change the topic of that your short. Maybe YouTube algorithm did not find out the right audience to show your shorts to. So when you now change the topic of that your short, YouTube algorithm will now think that you've created a new short, and if that new title or if that new topic will actually be recognized by the YouTube algorithm, and boom, your shorts will have thousands of views and it will be recommended to millions of viewers. The number 4 reason on my list is that you may be using wrong tag for your videos. Just like the long form videos, if you are using the wrong tag on your shorts, this will help the algorithm to be more confused without knowing the right audience to push out your shorts for, so that you will have clicks and they will start recommending your videos to more people. For your shorts to go viral, you have to make sure that you are using the right tag. And to do this, there is a proven tag strategy that has been proven to always make each uploads on YouTube Shorts to go viral. And I will share this with you. If you want me to share this with you, please click on the subscription button and say anything on the comment section. Don't forget to like the video. Now, after uploading short form content for over 3 years now, I came to find out that there are 3 categories of tag, and you need to always use this when uploading your short. So we have niche specific tags, we have post specific tags, and we have broad tags. Post specific tags is just to explain to YouTube what your video is all about. For example, if you actually created content about how to get more views on YouTube, your niche specific tags will be how to get more views on YouTube, how to grow YouTube channel, or how to start YouTube channel, because those are the audience you are targeting. So niche specific tags is based on the most searched keyword on your niche. Broad tags are the tags that you use to go viral on YouTube. For example, how to make money online, Bitcoin, CapCut, AI, all those things that you know that majority of people in the world are searching for. You need to also include them on your tags. So do well to also add this strategy of tag on your short so that your short will stand a better chance of going viral. So if you adopt these 3 types of tags on each of your uploads, so I promise you that your uploads or shorts will stand a better chance to go viral. The number 5 reasons on my list is that you may be uploading too much. You know, when you are just getting started on a brand new account, you are advised to upload once in a day. The reason is because you have to allow the YouTube algorithm to find out the right audience for your video. So if you are spamming uploads like 5 or maybe 10 uploads in a day, the YouTube algorithm will, number one, suspect you are a robot and will also get confused on finding the right audience for your video, because there is what we call returning viewers. So if the algorithm has not been able to find a returning viewer that has returned to watch your content, so the algorithm may think that people don't like coming back to watch your video and that your videos are not good. So when you're just getting started with a brand new account, upload once in a day. But if you have an already established account, I will advise you upload at least of 3 times a day, because you already have your audience and you already have your thousands of subscribers. So uploading every day will also keep your viewers engaged with your channel. Patience is the key when it comes to new accounts on YouTube. So when just getting started, when you upload a short, have patience and give the algorithm time to figure out the right audience for your channel. Based on my own personal experience, I noticed that it will take YouTube up to 1 month to actually figure out the right audience for your video. So you need to give the algorithm time to actually find out whom your right audience are. So if your shorts are not getting more than 1,000 views, it could be that you are not getting shorts on viral ideas. Shorts that goes viral are shorts that are created on viral ideas. So do well to create content on viral ideas. The number 6 reason on my list is that you are including hashtags on your topics. That is wrong. Just like long form videos, when you are naming or titling your videos, you don't include hashtags on your long form videos, then why are you doing it on shorts? If you want to create your title or your topic and never include an hashtag in your title. And also, there is a proven strategy that I would like to share with you, and this strategy is also used to make viewers want to watch or click on your shorts. It's called curiosity strategy. Now, if you are creating your shorts, when you are titling your shorts, you need to title your short based on fear, based on curiosity, and based on desire. For example, if you want to create content about how to upload YouTube videos to get more views, viewers will not want to watch because they already know how to upload YouTube videos. But if you say something like 3 upload mistakes that cost you thousands of views on YouTube, viewers will want to watch based on fear because they want to know what are those mistakes that always cause me not to have views. Secondly, if you want to create content on how to get monetized, viewers will not want to watch. But when you create content on how to get monetized on Facebook in 7 days, they will want to watch because of their desire. They desire to get monetized as soon as possible. So I'm trying to let you know that people act based on their emotions, and that is the psychology of viewers. So to do well on YouTube, you need to understand the psychology of viewers and you need to act on that. The first way to understand the psychology of viewers is to know what their main problem is, and you create your short based on that, and you try to be very brief and intriguing, and you have to be eye-catching. There is this video that I created that actually shows us how to change the background of our videos to any image or to any background of our choice. Please do well to watch it out. I have posted the video here. Just click on it and see how you can change the background of your video from this one right here to any one of your choice. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and say anything on the comment section